Hello everyone, welcome back to Iphy's kitchen. In today's video I'm going to show you how to blanch almond and make almond flour at home. Blanch almond simply means removing the skin of the almond, and blanch almond flour is lighter and is much better for creating pastries. Stay tuned. I'll start by soaking the almond with hot water. I will leave it for about 2 minutes. I will drain out the hot water, then rinse with cold water. After draining out the excess water, I'll be able to slip off the almond skin with my fingers. I'll be showing you another easy way to peel off the almond skin. I'll place a kitchen towel, then add the almonds on the kitchen towel. I will fold or wrap up the kitchen towel. Then I'll start rubbing it. As I'm rubbing it, it will be drying the almond, and at the same time, it will peel off the skin. After about a minute, I'll open up the towel. You can see the almond skin have been peeled. I'll start picking them. Now that the skins are off, I'll place them on a tray and dry them on the sun. You can also use oven method. Almond is dry. I would like to crush them to help my blender, but if you have a food processor, you can skip this method. Crushing the almond, I'll be placing them into the blender, then I will blend. You need to be careful not to overblend them to avoid making almond butter. After blending the almond, I'll be sieving the almond flour with a sieve. It is a good idea to sieve the almond to remove any chunks. Continue this process until you sieve all the whole almond flour.